tributes to we pay our tributes to our departed souls who are members of Parliament, and of course, Anurag ji, you can come to the stage. We request Nishikant Dubey ji and others.
अपने पूर्व सांसदों को नमन करते हुए let's begin the rally today. Honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests and motorsport enthusiasts, a very warm and sunny welcome to the Parliamentarians Car Rally 2025. Yet again, to spread the powerful message for road safety and responsible driving, stronger than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, today as our nation's leader take the wheel, we also champion the cause of safer roads, responsible driving and awareness for every citizen in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have amongst us the distinguished presence of Sri Kiran Rijiju ji, Honorable Union Minister of Parliament Affairs and Minister of Minority Affairs. May I request all our members of media to kindly make space. Kindly make space, please. Can you all move back, please? Ladies and gentlemen, this car rally is to be viewed by all, and I would humbly request our members of media to kindly step back a little bit so all our guests are also able to witness the Parliamentary Rally 2025. So we have the honourable presence of the Honourable Union Minister of Parliament Affairs and Minister of Minority Affairs, Government of India, Sri Kiran Rijiju. We also have amongst us Sri K. Ram Mohan Naidu, Honourable Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India. May I also please once again request our members of media.
हम सिर्फ सेफ रहे ये बात नहीं है, समाज को सेफ रहना है। एक्सीडेंट मेरा अकेला गलती से भी नहीं होता है, किसी और का गलती से भी मुझे एक्सीडेंट झेलना पड़ता है। इसलिए सबको सेफ ड्राइविंग करने के लिए अवेयरनेस खुद के लिए भी समाज के लिए भी करना है। हम तो पहाड़ी से आते हैं तो मेरा इलाका में गली गली में गाड़ी रास्ते के मोड़ में लिखा रहता है कि अगर आप अपना पति पत्नी का साथ लंबा रहना है तो स्पीड का साथ डिवोर्स करना होगा। ये हमारा संदेश बहुत खूबसूरत संदेश जगह जगह लिखा होता है। या प्लेन एरिया में तो इस तरह से लिखा हुआ देखने को नहीं मिलता है। आज बहुत ही वेटरन्स लोग भी ड्राइव कर रहे हैं। मुझे बताया एक तो गाड़ी में इतना देर से उत्साह से बैठे हुए हैं ड्राइव करने के लिए, रुके हुए हैं, जैसे ही झंडा उठेगा सबसे आगे चलने के लिए रेडी है। उनका उत्सुकता को देखते हुए मैं लंबा नहीं बोलूँगा, तो जल्दी से भेजना है। मैं राजीव प्रताप रूडी जी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। मैं तो पहले बार आया हूँ ये कार्यक्रम में। अभी वीडियो में तो देखा था, आप लोग कई साल से ये काम कर रहे थे, मुझे पता ही नहीं था। आज मैंने जो वीडियो देखा 5-6 मिनट का, तो कई एमपीज लोग इसमें सम्मिलित हो चुके हैं, काम कर चुके हैं। तो मुझे आज बुलाया, हमारे साथी सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर राम मोहन नायडू जी भी आए, हमारे पूरा वरिष्ठ साथी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट यहाँ है, एक्स एमपी भी पूरा जोश के साथ त्यागी साहब आया हुआ है। तो ये पूरा टीम है। सिंगाड़िया साहब अपना सॉरी है, अपने जेके टायर का अंशुमन जी भी आए हुए हैं। तो जेके टायर का मेरा पुराना नाता है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ड्राइविंग में पैशन रखता हूँ, पहाड़ों में मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ, तो इसलिए उनसे मुझे जैकेट भी मिला हुआ है। उनका जैकेट पहन के मैं गाड़ी चलाता हूँ पहाड़ों में, बर्फों में। तो ये टीम बहुत अच्छा है। और मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के माध्यम से अगर ये कार्यक्रम करता है तो ये बहुत अच्छा संदेश जाएगा। देश में जितना लोकसभा क्षेत्र बांटा हुआ है वहाँ एमपी को लीड रोल लेना बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए आज मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने ये कार्यक्रम किया है, रोड सेफ्टी। मैं भी इस कार्यक्रम में आज जुड़ने का मौका मिला है। मैं अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली मानता हूँ कि
to also welcome and felicitate Sri K. Ram Mohan Naidu. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to have you amongst us today. Thank you, Mr. Singhania. Ladies and gentlemen, before I call the man behind the show to address us, I would like to very briefly share with all of you, commencing his political career as student union leader, Sri Rajiv Pratap Rudy served as the first Union Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Independent Charge and Parliamentary Affairs in our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's government. He has served 7 terms in Parliament, which includes his tenures both in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. He was first elected to the Bihar State Legislature in the year 1990. During his earlier tenure, he was Minister of State for Commerce and Industry and subsequently elevated as Civil Aviation Minister with independent charge in year 2003. He is credited as the only parliamentarian on the globe operating Airbus 320 jets, flying one of the largest airlines in India. His name also figures in the Limca Book of World Records. Let's put a big round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. He is also credited with flying Rafale jets, Sukhoi 30 MKI and Gripen fighter aircrafts on different occasions. He is President Aero Club of India and Chairperson Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources. He is 7th-term member of
विशेष भावभीनी इसलिए मौका उनके लिए है कि लोकसभा में हम सब एक साथ बैठते हैं और कई वरिष्ठ लोग रहते हैं और उसमें से एक समय था जब इनके पिताजी के साथ मैं भारत सरकार में वाजपेयी जी की सरकार में मंत्री था और उस समय श्री अभी क्यों जा रहे हैं वेट करिए थोड़ा सा अभी टाइम है और खास करके एक संवेदना के तहत आज हम यहाँ जुड़ते हैं और ये संवाद जहाँ इतनी बड़ी संख्या में रोड एक्सीडेंट में लोगों की मृत्यु होती है मैं अधिक समय नहीं लूँगा लेकिन मैं ये सिर्फ कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे सांसदों के जीवन हमारे राजनेताओं के जीवन में सबसे ज्यादा समय अगर कोई सड़कों पर गुजारता है तो वो सांसद हैं, पॉलिटिकल लोग हैं। हवाई जहाज से उतरते हैं 200 किलोमीटर 300 किलोमीटर यात्रा करके अपने क्षेत्र में जाते हैं। यहाँ निशिकांत दुबे जी बैठे हैं, अब तो उनके यहाँ हवाई अड्डा है, नहीं तो रांची से निकल करके 300 किलोमीटर जाया करते। आज भी हमारे हिमाचल प्रदेश के पूर्व भारत सरकार के मंत्री अनुराग ठाकुर आज के तारीख में भी जब भी ये अपने क्षेत्र में जाते हैं तो लगभग 350 किलोमीटर यात्रा करके जाते हैं। कोई भी ऐसा सांसद कोई भी ऐसा जनप्रतिनिधि नहीं होगा जो सामान्यतः 300-400 किलोमीटर हर हफ्ता नहीं चलता। और रात के समय शादी ब्याह में मुझे याद है एक बार राम बता रहे थे कि इनके पिताजी जब घर लौट के आए वो रात को सोने की तैयारी कर रहे थे। रात को उन्होंने कपड़ा भी अपना खोल दिया, रात को सोने की तैयारी थे और तभी सूचना मिला कि किसी शादी में जाना है और उन्होंने रात को कपड़ा बदल करके फिर रात के 1 बजे किसी खास कार्यकर्ता के यहाँ जाने की तैयारी की और वो उनकी अंतिम यात्रा हुई। मुझे याद है कि मेरे साथ महेंद्र सिंह भाटी जो मात्र 31 साल के बाड़मेर जैसलमेर के सांसद थे, रात के 3 बजे जब मैं सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर था मुझे सूचना आया। ऐसे आपको चाहे वो राजेश पायलट साहब हो, गोपीनाथ मुंडे साहब हो, साहेब सिंह वर्मा साहब हो या तो भारत के एक पूर्व राष्ट्रपति की भी मृत्यु सड़क दुर्घटना में हुई है। लंबी सूची। लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, ये आयोजन छोटी सी आयोजन जी के डायस के साथ भारतवर्ष में ये संवाद जाता है कि एक बड़े संवेदना के साथ आज हम सब लोग इस कार्यक्रम को करते हैं संवाद बनाने के लिए, सब तक संवाद पहुंचे, बच्चों तक, स्कूल तक। और हर आदमी को लगता है कि दुर्घटना मेरे साथ नहीं दूसरे के साथ होगा, लेकिन ये परिस्थिति हमेशा वैसे रहती नहीं है। आज मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा अभी सभी माननीय सांसदों को, अनुराग ठाकुर जी को, जावेद साहब को, गांधी साहब को, उदय जी को, हमारे बीच में अंशुमन को, हमारे बीच में उपस्थित निशिकांत दुबे जी को, तारिक अनवर साहब को, त्यागी साहब को, केसी त्यागी साहब को और अनुराग ठाकुर साहब को, सुनीता दुग्गल और कई सारे सांसद वहाँ भाग ले रहे हैं जो गाड़ी में बैठे हैं। जेके जैन साहब, खासियत है जेके जैन साहब का, हर साल भाग लेते हैं। 87 साल की उम्र में भी आज पार्लियामेंटेरियंस कार रैली में भाग लेने हमारे बीच में आते हैं। मैं भाग अभी जाना नहीं है। आज हमारे साथ दूरदर्शन और पूरे भारतवर्ष में इसका प्रसारण हो रहा है। दिल्ली पुलिस की बैंड है हमारे साथ, सीआरपीएफ की बैंड है, आपका भी विशेष रूप से अभिनंदन, और पूरे जेके टायर्स की टीम और जो आज के इस आयोजन में हमारे बीच में है। आज श्रीमती अनु दुबे भी यहाँ उपस्थित हैं जो एक गाड़ी में अपने पति के साथ प्रस्थान करेंगी। नीलम प्रताप सिंह जी भी हैं और कई सारे लोग यहाँ भाग ले रहे हैं इस संवाद के लिए। मैं फिर से आप लोगों का स्वागत करता हूँ और आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ कि इस शाम के समय इस बड़े आयोजन में पूरे भारत के लोग जिस कार्य को देख रहे हैं, आप सब हमारे बीच में आए हैं, आपका विशेष नमस्कार।
Leaders, Anshuman ji from JK Tyre, and our friends from the Parliament, Anurag Thakur ji, who himself has been an inspiration and has worked towards several causes, and also Nishikant Dubey ji, Tanil Uday ji, senior members of the Parliament, ex-members of the Parliament, and everyone who has come together on this important occasion. My sincere greetings to each and every one of you. I'm very happy to be participating in this event. I know that Rajiv Pratap Rodi ji, under his guidance, has been driving this event for the last 15 years, and with the same commitment every year. Sometimes when you do it year and year, again and again, you might lose steam here and there, but I've seen that every year, with a lot of commitment, he ensures that this event gets the proper respect, gets the proper awareness, gets the right kind of people to spread this important message that road safety is something which we have to take very, very seriously. And it is called the Parliamentarians Car Rally, but it is not only important for the parliamentarians. I know they are supposed to be the role models for the country. People look at them with a lot of respect. People want to be like them. People do what the parliamentarians do. But this is a subject which is important for 140 crore people of this country. And I speak from personal experience regarding this because I have also lost my father, who was a very senior member of the parliament, who has spent a lot of time here in Delhi, in the parliament itself. K. Eran Naidu ji, he was also a union minister at one point of time. And destiny is something which nobody can avoid. But when you look back at the incidents again, most of the accidents, 99% of the time you feel that you could do something from your side to save yourself from the incident. And that was the same opinion we had when I lost my father. He was traveling at 2 o'clock in the night, and it was his political compulsion that he had to attend this event. But while coming back at 2 o'clock, it's a very difficult time for the drivers also. Most of the time we feel that the car is a mechanical thing, it is ready to be functional 24 hours, but we miss looking at the driver. We miss looking at how much rest he has taken. We miss looking at him as a human aspect of moving around, traveling around. So that was one thing, and the second thing was he was not wearing any seat belts also. Now thinking back, we feel that probably if he had worn the seat belt, his life could have been saved. And this is, and numerous incidents we have seen that most of the accidents happen because they are not following the simple rules. And we have seen it on multiple occasions in the country also. And it is our collective responsibility to bring that discipline back to road safety and road travel. And I am responsible today for civil aviation. And if I can give you one fact, out of 41 million flights, there are 7 fatal accidents happening. So imagine how much importance is given to safety when we are traveling by air. But when it comes to road, we take it very casually. We miss out all the smaller things because we feel that this is something which is an extension of our life, everyday thing, so nothing wrong might happen. And we have seen in a minute, the people who are close to us, the people who have just spoken to right now are far away from you. They have lost their lives. So this is something where the continuous awareness needs to be created, especially for the younger generation. Lakhs of lives have been lost. And I can say that when a victim loses his life, it is not only that one person who is getting affected, but his whole family, that whole community gets affected. So it is very, very important for us to carry this message, and especially a lot of leaders who are there in public life are here. And today we live in a social media digital generation where everything we do is covered by some camera and is being showcased in the social media also. and small things that we do. I see that whenever we go to our constituency or whenever we are moving around, there are multiple people recording us, getting out of the car, getting into the car, how we are moving in the car, what do we do inside the car. There are multiple people following you and trying to take these videos. So when they are doing that, if you can showcase some kind of moral discipline when you are in the car, especially wearing the seatbelt, when you're getting into the car and you wear the seatbelt and it gets recorded in their videos and they display it, it reaches to lakhs of people. These small things, if you are being aware and you are able to bring that discipline through yourself, I think it brings a lot of change in the public, in the larger society that you want to see also. So it is something we have to commit ourselves first, that we have to take road safety very, very seriously. And one thing Rudy ji has mentioned very clearly is that we travel lot by road itself. Every day we are doing 200, 300 kilometers, and we completely forget the fact that we are staying so much in the car itself traveling. So it is very important to start this awareness, start this movement from the political leaders and the parliamentarians itself, and rightfully so, this event has been targeting that aspect. And I would like to thank JK Tyres and all the partners who have been supporting in this wonderful cause. And it is
He's a well-known personality who has made contributions to various areas of national life, such as social and educational activities. Our senior-most parliamentarian today, driving in car number 1, Shri J.K. Jain.
पीछे आ जाओ, नहीं आई फोटो। ये पीछे कर लो थोड़ा सा यार, ये शादी नहीं है भैया।
That is Shri J.K. Jain driving away now. In car number 2, ladies and gentlemen, it is Dr. Nishikant Dubey. He's a member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, and he represents the Godha constituency of Jharkhand. He's the 4th time MP in Lok Sabha, and his better half, Mrs. Anu Dubey, is driving the car. All the best. This is Dr. Nishikant Dubey and Mrs. Anu Dubey in car number 2. Next we have Srimati Sunita Duggal. She is a former member of Parliament from Sirsa, Haryana. She is a retired Indian Revenue Services officer, and she's served in Income Tax Department for 22 years at various posts. In car number 4, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sri Anil Prasad Hegde. Sri Hegde is a former member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha from Bihar. That's car number 4, flagging off right now. Next, in car number 5, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sri Shailesh Kumar. He's husband of Srimati Misha Bharti, member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, in car number 10. Next, we have Team Indian Army in car number 20. Team Indian Army in car number 20. Next, in car number 43, we have Team National Security Guard, NSG, Mr. Parth Khurana and Mr. Ramchandra Yadav. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have the team from media, Mr. Ang Bajaj. This is Parliamentary Star Rally 2025, ladies and gentlemen, and this beautiful band playing all the melodies of yesteryears is band from Delhi Police and CRPF. This is car number 11. Srimati Neelam Rajiv Pratap Rudy, wife of Sri Rajiv Pratap Rudy. Car number 11, that was. Car number 9, we have the team Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. We are also hearing the musical melodies from the band of CRPF as well. Next we have the team Delhi Traffic Police. Team Delhi Traffic Police. We also have the band of Delhi for the stage with us, for us today. Car number 43 for Gay India Limited.